is officially 2026. We celebrate kind of ring in the new year at my parents' house. So we're not at our home for the first couple of days of the calendar year. I really love it. We close out the old year together and we ring in the new year with our same traditions. And it's really nice, like kind of being away, and then we get to come back and get back into our routines at the beginning of our year. Let's spend a couple of days together, what I do, what I've learned that works for me and my family as we gear up for the new year. Let's get started. Look at that handsome boy. I went out and got a planner. This is like a build your own planner. It's got the calendar in it. I've got my budget. I've got my book tracker. I have some journaling pages in here because I want to do more journaling, and the meal planner. Those are the main things that I have. It's really cute. I've been carrying it around everywhere. It has been really helpful to have everything in one place. So I'm not jumping from like journal to journal, book to book, but we're actually going to work on this and figure out what needs to be done when. Another one of our intentions this year was to definitely get on track with just health and nourishment, like moving your body, eating whole foods. Kyle and I did start intermittent fasting on the 6th, and we have been doing a really good job, if I may say so. We're trying to cook more at home. We're trying not to eat out except for certain occasions, like if we're with the family. In addition to that, I am walking 10,000 steps a day. Got 7 minutes coming off of my fast, so I'm gonna whip up something nice and yummy. I don't know whether I think that's cool or it makes me sad. It's about an hour later. I got lots of work done, and now I think we're gonna go for a WALK. Can't say that out loud. He'll start freaking out and I can't get ready. See what I mean? Watch out. One of the many wonderful things of having a dog is going on walks and getting your steps in. Truly a win-win for the both of us. I love putting on cozy ambiance. That's what plays on it 24/7. All of my sparkling water connoisseurs, what's your favorite? Saratoga has been by far Kyle and I's favorite. They're very bubbly, super crisp, a good unflavored sparkling water. This one by far is our favorite. Good morning, it's the next day. Lily is at school. We got an Amazon package. As I was saying, I ordered this yesterday. Kyle and I were talking about a toy for Kai, so that's what this is. It looks open. It does look used.
I know.
There's supposedly a winter storm coming. I say that because I live in the Midwest, and anytime that they like say there's going to be this huge storm, it's probably a quarter of what it actually is. So we're gearing up for it. I did put in a grocery order yesterday, and not necessarily for the winter storm. We just needed groceries. The temperatures are dropping already. They dropped significantly overnight. Our area is not expecting crazy things, but we are still going to prepare because it'll be the one time that you don't and it actually comes through. I got these lash clusters from Amazon. We're going to put them on together. I've never used them. It came with lash clusters, the glue, and tweezers. I think it was only $15. I use the Falscara ones. I've been using it since it came out, and I've had lots of luck with them. I've never tried a kit from Amazon or from TikTok Shop or anything like that. So let's give it a go and see how it goes. This is what it looks like. Okay, I feel like my kitchen in my house is like a mess, and it's really not. I'm going to finish up dinner, which I've got in the crock pot. I've had those on high for about 4 hours. So I'm gonna shred them. I'm gonna drain that a little bit and then add in our ranch seasoning packet, pasta, and some cream. Wanting a walking pad for a while, and I finally decided to order one, and it just came in. I got it from Deer Run, and this is supposed to be an incline form. So battery operated candles come in handy. They're not just for decoration. Said walking his steps, but he has longer legs than me. Just trying to get to our backyard. So my husband is shoveling a track because Kai struggled using the bathroom this morning. He's like, he was neck deep.